Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to try to figure out why our Ninja Foodi is not working. So we've had the Ninja Foodi for about 2 or 3 years and we use it quite often. We use it for air crisp or air fryer as we call it. It's pretty simple. Turn it on, you push what you want, which is air crisp. You set the set point to what you want and you can set the timer too for whatever you want, and then you turn it on. It normally goes through a preheat, and sometimes we let it go with preheat, but if we're kind of in a hurry, I'll just push air crisp, and it says to add the food. When you add the food, you put the food in, and then you close the lid, and it starts to cook. But it's still telling me to add the food. For some reason, it doesn't recognize that I open the lid. I suspect that there may be a switch somewhere in there that is not being completed. So we're going to check that out. We're going to take it apart and see what we can find. So I've turned the Ninja upside down so we can get the cover off. Under the cover is where the hinge switch is located. Just a matter of taking out all the screws and we'll see what we've got underneath there. That popping noise you heard was the springs from the hinge snapping. Doesn't look like it'll be a problem when we reassemble though. Now that we've got the cover off, we can see the cover for the hinge switch. There are a couple of small screws that will need to be removed so we can remove the hinge cover. These two screws that I'm taking off now are for the plastic plate that holds the power cord in place. Now I'm going to remove that little plate that secures the power cord and move the cord out of the way. The cover comes off fairly easy. So here's our hinge switch. And right here is the spring from the hinge that activates the switch to tell the Ninja that the food has been placed in the appliance. The switch comes out fairly easy, no screws, it just pops out. Now I'm going to take off these two wires and we're going to simulate the switch opening and closing when the cover is opened and then closed. So now I've got the split screen. On the left, we have the Ninja air fryer, and on the right, we have the two wires that would have gone to the hinge switch. Right now, I have the wires jumped out, but at the appropriate time, I'm going to open the wire circuit, then close it, simulating the opening of the cover and then closing of the cover. Then we will see if the Ninja air fryer starts to work. So now I'm turning the Ninja on, pressing the power button, setting the temperature, setting the timer, and starting the unit. Now I'm going to disconnect these wires, which will simulate the opening of the Ninja cover. The circuit is asking to add food, and then I will reconnect the wires, simulating the closing of the cover. As you can see, the Ninja is starting to heat the food. Most definitely, the problem is the hinge switch. So I called the Ninja troubleshooting / parts department and I was able to get through to a service person. I told her what was going on and she was able to FaceTime me and I was able to show her exactly what was going on. I gave her the model number and serial number and the date the unit was built. I told her what I found. She told me that since my 1-year manufacturer's warranty was beyond the warranty date, she would not be able to warranty the unit. She did inform me that although my unit was still included in their parts book and sales book, it appeared that no parts would be available to purchase for that style. She said I could purchase a new Ninja Foodi, but the price was higher than what I could pay here at home. All in all, she was very informative and kind. If you're having the same problem or a similar problem, I have the phone number that I use, but make sure you have the model number, the serial number, and the year that the unit was built. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.